Today I'm going to show you a method that will speed up your revision process and save you hours of time. It's so annoying when AI doesn't understand what you want, right? Well, today we will fix that. We're going to use the divide and conquer tactic. We'll break the image into parts using a JSON file to get the perfect result. Let's start. I'm using Gemini for this. First, upload your image to Gemini. Then, ask it to give you the details of this image as a JSON file. The AI will list everything for you: the object name, type, color, material, texture, and quantity. The best part is this: you only change the part you want to fix and everything else stays the same. For example, I want to change the rug. I think a beautiful Turkish or Persian rug would look amazing in this design. I just deleted the old description in the JSON, wrote what I wanted instead. And the result is great. What do you think about the new rug? Does it fit the room? Let me know in the comments what you want to learn in the next lesson. If you have any questions, just ask. Have a great day and happy working.